The first and most recognizable sign of a gas leak is a distinctive rotten egg odor. Natural gas is naturally odorless, but utility companies add a chemical called mercaptan to give it this unmistakable smell for safety purposes. Another warning sign is sound. You may hear hissing or whistling noises near your water heater, which indicates gas escaping from pipes or connections. This sound is often accompanied by the smell of gas. Gas leaks can also cause physical symptoms in people nearby. These include dizziness, nausea, headaches, fatigue, and difficulty breathing. If you or others experience these symptoms near your water heater, it could indicate a gas leak. If you detect any signs of a gas leak, your immediate response is critical. First, evacuate the area immediately. Do not use any electrical switches, appliances, or open flames, as these could ignite the gas and cause an explosion. Next, open windows and doors to ventilate the area and allow gas to disperse. Then, if it's safe to do so, turn off the gas supply to your water heater using the gas shutoff valve. This valve is typically located on the gas line leading to the unit. Understanding common causes of gas leaks can help with prevention. These include corrosion or damage to gas lines over time, loose connections from improper installation or wear, and faulty valves such as pressure relief valves or gas control valves. Remember, safety is paramount when dealing with gas leaks. If you're unsure about any aspect of the situation, or if you cannot locate the source of the leak, call a professional immediately. Licensed gas technicians have the proper tools and expertise to handle gas leaks safely. Before attempting any basic repairs, safety must be your top priority. Only qualified individuals should attempt these repairs. The first basic repair is tightening loose connections. Use an adjustable wrench to carefully tighten any loose fittings on gas lines or connections. If a gas line is damaged, it must be replaced with a new line. Use one with a protective polymer coating for better durability and safety. After completing repairs, turn the gas back on and test for leaks using a soap solution. If bubbles appear, there is still a leak that needs attention. Certain situations require professional help. Call a licensed gas technician if the leak is coming from the tank itself, if you cannot locate the source, or if you still smell gas after attempting repairs. Prevention is the best approach. Schedule regular maintenance and inspections to catch problems early. Install gas detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in your home. These devices can alert you to dangerous gas levels before they become hazardous. Ensure proper ventilation around your water heater and keep the area clear of combustible materials. Gas water heaters typically last 10 to 12 years, so consider replacement if yours is nearing the end of its lifespan.